Alright, welcome to day number 43 at Via de Casa, Casa de Malouff, rebuild, remodel, everything. We still got the tile guys here. Today is number 43, aka Dallas Cowboys Cliff Harris and Malik Davis. So things are moving along here. They're cleaning up the tile. The car house is starting to get cleared up a little bit. Making space in here. How you doing, buddy? Alright, let's go around. What's going on, man? I'm messing with my contract. I told him the owner has to park there. He has to pay all the bills. So, anyways, let's go inside, see what we got here. It's the baseboard trims. Let's see what we got. Alright, so they're still finishing up the bedroom and closet, which they'll be done here shortly. Bathroom shower looks good. Closet, bedroom here. Reserve bedroom looks good. Alright. Everything's coming along. Piece by piece. He's finishing up over here. There's a quarter. Call somebody who cares. Looks like he's got the closet back there finished. Working his way around. Alright, this will be a short video where they'll finish this part up later. Don't worry. There's not much going on in here right now, so I'm going to go ahead and head back. I got some other things to do. And I'll bring back the lawnmower. And when it's 125,000 degrees, I'll go ahead and cut the yard. So, okay, that's it for first video of day 43. And we'll come back later down this afternoon and see how we're looking. All right, thanks for now. See you back. All right, video number 2 of day 43. Let's go in and check out. Looks like they're cleaning things up. Uh-oh. Looks like they're getting along. Let's see here. We got the washer and dryer and the pantry done. Looks like the hallway's done. All right, can't stop and walk in that. Looks like we got some extra tile. Oh, they got the front door done. Lunchtime! Nice. Thank you guys, it all looks good. Office is done. Bedroom is done. Alright, so now they're just going to work on putting it up there and then start on the shower tile. Alright, video number 2. Alright. Video number 3 on day 43. See, they got the clips up. So these are the leftovers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. And 3 pieces. Some more over here. Okay. I guess we're safe to walk on it. Doing the grout. Oh, they did the grout. You finished the grout the whole house?
Huh?
You finished everything but right here?
Yeah.
Only here?
Only the problems now.
No.
But everything is today.
The rooms are done?
But everything is okay. Check it out.
Can I walk? Yeah? Is it okay?
Yeah. That's okay.
I don't want to get in trouble. The owner get angry. Okay, let's check out the bathroom. They grouted the walls. Yeah. Looks good. Alright, so I guess tomorrow they'll finish this up. Which isn't much. I mean, that's only a couple pieces. All the grouting's done. Floor looks good. Baseboards will probably put in tomorrow. They'll probably start with those and the doors. There was an issue with the front doors. Oh, they got to finish this room here. Okay. Oh, another case. Look at that. Oh, shit. I might get some money back out of this mansion. So, the front doors that originally were ordered were the wrong size. So they had to go back, and I think they got the right ones in. I don't know. We'll see. Almost time. I'm not going to put my cameras up outside until they paint, which is going to be done next week. So we're just going to do a couple videos each day. No more of me running around like a chicken with the head cut off. But pretty soon, next week, I got to start filling up the car house with all my other stuff. So, we're not on a final move-in date yet, but we're getting close. So, all right, you see how the tile looks. Everything's looking good. I think the owner will be happy, and let them finish up doing the grouting, and then tomorrow they'll finish up the showers, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, all that other fun shit. Okay, bye for now.